Hello, boys and girls. This is Fido Day 29, May 1st, Part 3. Remember, if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you, boys and girls. We are going to finish up the Chapter 10 review. In Part 1, we did vocab on 783. In Part 2, we did some computation on page 784. Page 785, this is Part 3. And what we're going to do is we're going to answer some word problems together, boys and girls. So let's take a look at number 19. Ken is working on a project for social studies. He has a piece of poster board that needs to be divided equally into 1/3 foot sections. The poster board he has is 4 feet wide. How many sections will Ken have on the board? So let's draw 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet. Do you see how these are each a foot long? He is going to divide each foot into thirds, 1/3 sections. See how I'm dividing them into third sections? How many sections is he going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many 1/3 sections? He's going to get 12 sections. Number 20, Samantha measured the dimensions of a rectangular poster frame. It was 3/4 yards long and 1.5 yards wide. What is the area? How many of you remember the area formula? Area equals the length, which they gave us, times the width, which they gave us. So let's do this. Area of this poster board is the length, 3/4, times the width, 1/2. Top times top. 3 times 1 is 3. Bottom times bottom. 4 times 2 is 8. Remember, it was yards, but area is always in square units, so it's square yards. Here we go, number 21. This is a lot of reading, so follow along with me. At Middle Avenue School, 1/30 of the students are on the track team. So 1/30 of all the kids at the school join the track team. The track coach offers to buy pizza or subs for everyone on the team. So all the kids on the team, they get to pick either pizza or sub. Of the students for whom the coach bought food, 3/5 ordered pizza. So the track team, 3/5 of them ordered pizza. What fraction of all the students at Middle Avenue School ate pizza? So 1/30 is on the team, and 3/5 of those 1/30 chose pizza. I bet you can remember what symbol we can replace over of. Multiplication. So instead of saying 3/5 of 1/30, we can say 3/5 times 1/30. Top times top. 3 times 1 is 3. Bottom times bottom. 5 times 30 is 150. Remember, 5 times 3 is 15. 1z, we added on. Now we can write this in simplest form. 3 divided by 3 is 1 on top. 150 divided by 3. Well, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 150 divided by 3 is 1/50 of the students. 1/50 of the students. Here we go, number 22. Sarah is dividing 1/4 pound of cashews and 1/2 pound of almonds into plastic bags. What fraction of a pound of nuts will be in each plastic bag? Draw a model to help you solve. Well, the first thing I want to do is I want to add the amount of cashews with the amount of almonds. So we're going to add 1/4 plus 1/2. We can rewrite 1/2 as 2/4. So 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4 pounds. She has 3/4 pounds. She is going to divide the 3/4 into 5 plastic bags. So she is dividing the 3/4 by 5. Everybody okay there? So let's draw out 3/4. Everybody okay there? And now we need to divide each, this is the amount right here. Do you guys see that? 3/4. 3/4, that's how much. She does not have this much, this extra one. We need to divide each one of these into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? There are total of 20 pieces there. And she has 3 of them. So she has 3 out of the 20 pieces. So she has 3/20 pounds of nuts in each bag. I'm glad we did that one together. That one is very, very tricky. Here we go, the last one. This one's a lot like Ken up at the top. Okay? The Great Rope Company sells a rope that is 5 feet long. Juan wants to make sections that are 1/3 foot long. Remember Ken? He had 4 feet and he divided them into thirds. Juan has 5 feet and he's dividing them into 1/3 foot. How many sections will he be able to make? Very, very similar up here. Except when we go to draw this, we're going to draw 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 feet. See how I have 5 rectangles? Each one represents a foot of the rope. And there's 5 feet of rope. Now we're going to go in and divide these each into 1/3. See how they're all divided into 1/3? Let's count how many sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 sections. He will get 15 sections of rope. Everybody good there? Great. So let's go back to the direction page for Friday, Fido Day 29, Friday, May 1st. Notice what this says. No submission of work today. Smiley face. We got done all 3 parts together, boys and girls. I will talk with all of you on Monday. Monday. Take care.